This impact creates energy, or emerges energy, emerges. And the force creates an impact and vibrates. Energy emerges and vibrates. And then the real deal has arrived. Correspondence and dichotomy, I apologize, the paradoxical phenomenon between amplitude and frequency. Let's discuss amplitude and frequency. Be very afraid, because I'm the real deal.
Amplitude is the maximum extent of a vibration. So amplitude is the maximum extent of a vibration or oscillation of waves.
This is my mini library. I have a much bigger library. So, you know,